I'm Jennifer, and you may have seen a few other videos of mine. I wanted to give you kind of a quick tour of my workshop. I'm kind of finishing up a bunch of videos that I've been wanting to do before I can start anything new, so this is one of them. So here's a little quick intro of where I actually work. So let me flip you over here. Well, this is actually my daughter's sewing machine. It is actually probably early 1900s, if not late 1800s. It was given to me by one of our customers in Redlands. Here is my wonderful overlock machine, my cover stitch machine, my zigzag machine, my cat. This is all, I've got fold over elastics. This is all a bunch of my merchandise that's over here. Here's my ironing station. As you can see, it's serving well as storage. Here are more trims of mine, more elastics going up the wall. I like to use every square inch of space. My bookshelf needs a little organization. I'll get to that eventually. Here is my lovely work table, and they are two IKEA basically kitchen islands. And then I also got a couple of these nice little storage bins. Lots and lots of drawers. I love these drawers. I got them from Container Store. I would have them everywhere, but they are a little bit expensive. My supply of thread. This was my grandmother's sewing machine. This is the machine that I grew up using and the machine I still use today. And then here is my cone thread right here, and other arts and crafts stuff over here, and not to mention that I have an entire closet. Let's see, I have another one of these here. See, and then the other half of my workstation. Here is a book I've been working on. We're actually to chapter 3 now. But this is the workspace. Now, I'll show you my storage room. This is my storage room. So, this is all my inventory. As you can see, very well organized, labeled, anything you can imagine. I know exactly where it is. And then I have these lovely little drawers, which makes it really easy to grab the stuff I sell pretty quickly. This is the stuff that kind of sells quickly. And here is my packaging machine. I will show a video on how to use it and my review on it after I finish this one and a few others. But there you go. That is, let's see, that is my workspace.